Hello friend, in this video I will like to discuss you about the chapter plane. Okay, so let's begin. So before starting the chapter plane, you should know what is the equation for the plane. Okay, so the equation for the plane, equation for plane, the equation for the plane, the general equation for the plane is r bar n bar is equal to q. This is just a general equation. R bar is equal to xi bar plus y j bar plus zk bar. Okay, and n bar is equal to ai bar plus bj bar plus ck bar. Okay, so substituting this value over here, we get xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar into this one ai bar plus bj bar plus ck bar equal to q. Okay, up to here, any problem? It is quite simple. Just we have substitute r is equal to this value over here and n is equal to this over here. So our equation become like this. Okay. So now according to the dot product, to simplify this, the after by the property of the dot product, if we simplify this, we will get x into a. The coefficient of I into coefficient of I, coefficient of j into coefficient of j, plus between yb, similarly zc equal to q. Just I have to rearranging in the next step. Ax plus by plus cz equal to q. Okay, so taking this q on left hand side, therefore ax plus by plus cz is equal, minus q equal to 0. And just instead of this minus q, I want to substitute d over here. Therefore ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. And this is the general equation of the plane. Okay. So now you go through this, then we will move further to the next topic. So the basically plane chapter, I have divided it into the 5 parts: type first, type second, type third, type fifth. Okay, so we will now going to study about the type 1. In the type 1, it is the equation for the normal to the plane. Okay, so the equation normal to the plane type first. Okay, so the equation of normal to the plane is r bar into n cap is equal to p, and its diagram is, suppose this is one plane, this is any point called, I said it as n, drawing a perpendicular on it because we want normal, na? Okay, join this point, I call it as R, this point I call it as O, this much, and this is perpendicular, this is called as N cap, and this much is R bar. Okay, and this distance, this complete distance is called as P. Okay, this complete distance is called as P. This is O, this is R, this much is R bar having direction like this, and this is N cap. Okay, so this is the diagram for the equation normal to the plane. The word normal seems the perpendicular to the plane. Okay, so this is the equation for it. And if I wanted to find the perpendicular distance, in the many questions the perpendicular distance have to find out. In the board examination they have asked you to find out the perpendicular distance. So the formula is just P is equal to magnitude of On bar, that is magnitude of N bar is equal to P, that is perpendicular distance. Okay, so now if N bar is equal to, if N bar is equal to AI bar plus BJ bar plus CK bar. Remember this, there are 4 remarks over here. The first remark is this: if N bar is equal to AI bar plus BJ bar plus CK bar, be the vector normal to the plane, then direction ratios of the normal to the plane are A, B, C. Okay, at this stage you will not understand it, but you write down this, all these things that I am saying to you. Then afterwards, as the chapter will move further, you will all understand this, what is it. Okay, so write it down. If N is equal to AI bar plus BJ bar plus CK bar is the vector normal to the plane, then direction ratios of it is A comma B comma C in the brackets. Okay, this is the first remark over here. And the second remark is, if N cap, the unit vector, okay, N cap unit vector is equal to Li bar plus Mj bar plus Nk bar. If the unit vector N bar is equal to Li bar plus Mj bar plus Nk bar, be the unit vector normal to the plane, then its direction cosines are L, M and N. Okay, here's the direction ratios are A, B and C. Here N cap is the unit vector. Okay, N cap is the unit vector that is equal to Li bar plus Mj bar plus Nk bar is the unit vector normal to the plane, then the direction cosines are L, M, N. This is our second remark. You note it down in your notes. Okay. Now what about the third remark? The third remark is if L, M, N are direction cosine normal to the plane and P is the perpendicular distance, then the equation of plane is Lx plus my plus nz equal to P, and if we want to find out the foot of perpendicular, that is this point, if we want to find out, then the coordinates for these points are LP, MP, NP. Okay. So note it down that if LMN are the direction cosines normal to the plane, and P is the perpendicular distance, and the equation of plane is Lx plus my plus nz equal to P. This is the equation of the plane when L, M, N are direction cosines, and this is the foot of perpendicular, that is this. Coordinates of this point is this. Okay. So now what about the fourth remark? So note it down. If ax plus by plus cz equal to d is the equation of the plane, then the direction ratio of that plane is a, b, c. Okay. This is all about the topics which are related to the type first. So in the next session we will solve the problems on the type first based on this all 4 remarks. Okay, so you go through it. So the problem number first. Okay, so according to the first problem, find the equation of plane in vector and Cartesian form which is at a distance 5 unit from origin and normal to the vector 2I bar plus j bar plus 2k bar. Okay, so see this question and tell me what are the quantities given over here. But before, tell me what is the equation of plane in normal form. Okay, so solution will start from, we have normal equation of plane, that is r bar into n cap is equal to p, where n cap is equal to unit vector of normal, p is equal to perpendicular distance from plane. Okay. So this is quite important to write this all these things because it have marks. Okay. So before writing this, I have asked you the one question, that is, what is the normal equation of the plane? If your answer is this, very good, you are watching my video very carefully. Okay. So this is the equation for the plane. Okay. Normal equation for the plane. Okay, so tell me, what are the quantities given over here in the question? So you will first tell me what is the value of P over here given. P is equal to given. P is equal to, yes, 5 units. Then what will be next? Then you will tell me that here it is given that n cap is equal to 2I bar plus j bar plus 2k bar. But this is totally wrong. Okay. Here they have given us the equation, the normal to the vector, that is vector equation of normal. They have not given us the unit vector, they have just given us a vector. So they have given us just n bar. Okay, are you getting something from this? Okay, so now the first step to remember is we have to find out n cap. Okay, so what is the formula for the n cap? For the unit vector, basically, for the unit vector, the formula is its vector upon magnitude. But tell me, what is the magnitude of n over here? 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square under root, that is n bar is equal to, what is the answer? 3. So n cap is equal to 2I bar plus j bar plus 2k bar divided by 3. Okay, 2I bar, this n bar divided by magnitude. Okay, so n cap will be 2 by 3 I bar plus 1 by 3 j bar plus 2 by 3 k bar. Okay, now the next step is, let r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Okay, r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Okay, so now we have unit vector, we have r bar, also we have p somewhere here. So just we have to put in the formula number, equation number 1. Okay, so next step will be equation 1 becomes, substitute the value of r, xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar into 2 by 3 I bar plus 1 by 3 j bar plus 2 by 3 k bar. This all term is equal to 5. Okay, so first of all, you look up to here, go through this over all the things. Okay, see, basically these 5 types, they are all important for you, because we may not predict that the question will become from the type first. Okay, the question may become from type first also, type second also, type third also, type fourth also, and type fifth also. In some years the question come from type first only, but on the other hand, there is some another years in that the question comes from type fifth also. So we have to prepare for it. Okay, so we have to do all these 5 types. Okay, so you basically look at this first question. Okay, so, and this is not completely solution for it. I will give this completely solution in our next session. So first you go through over this. So our equation that we get is like this: xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar into, that is dot product, 2 by 3 I bar plus 1 by 3 j bar plus 2 by 3 k bar equal to 5. Okay, so by the property of the dot product, we have to just multiply the coefficient of I with the coefficient of I, coefficient of j with coefficient of j, similarly for k. So 2 by 3 x plus y by 3 plus 2z by 3 is equal to 5. Okay, now multiply both sides by 3, so this 3 will be cancel out. 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 15. This is a Cartesian equation. Okay, so basically in this question we have to find 2 types of equation. One is Cartesian equation and another is vector equation. Vector equation means the equation which contain I bar, j bar and k bar terms, and the Cartesian equation means the equation that contain x, y and z term. So look at here, we have the term x, y, z. So this is Cartesian equation. We have firstly find out the Cartesian equation, then I will tell you how to find out the vector equation. This is Cartesian equation. Okay, this is Cartesian equation. So to find out the vector equation, we does not have to substitute the r is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, this term. This substitution is not required while we have to finding out the vector equation of the plane. Okay, so instead of this, you just write r bar, that is the vector equation will be in the format like this: r bar into, taking this 3 denominator 3 common and multiplying both sides by 3, this 3 and the multiplied 3 will cancel out, and this 5 is multiplied by 3, then it will become 15. So it will seem like this: r into 2I bar plus j bar plus 2k bar is equal to 15. This is our vector equation. This is a vector equation. Okay. So in this example, I have tried out to find out the Cartesian equation and vector equation. So there is a possibility, strong possibility, that in the question you have just given this. That is, you have given only Cartesian equation and you have to convert that Cartesian equation into vector form. Okay. So how to do that? That's why I have first calculated the Cartesian equation so that I can tell you that how to reduce it to the vector equation. Okay. So basically this is of the type this equation is of type ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. Okay, ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. Okay, so our normal equation, if the a, b, c are the direction ratios of it, then it will become like r bar into the direction ratios 2, 1, 2 with I plus j plus k, into k over here plus is equal to d, that is 15. If the Cartesian equation is given, then our equation will be like this. In the general, if you don't understand this, what I have done over here, it will become like r bar into ai bar plus b j bar plus ck bar is equal to d. This is how our equation converts. Okay, I have already explained this in the starting of this video. Okay, so go through this very carefully. So this is our next question. According to this question, find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance from the 6th unit from origin and the direction ratios of the normal to the plane is 2, -1, 2. Okay, in this question the two quantities are given to us. The first is P, that is perpendicular distance, that is 6 unit, and the second is the direction ratios of normal, that is in general terms we have already discussed it, that in general term as A, B and C. Here A, B and C, this is the direction ratios of the normal. So the procedure for the solving this is solution. We know the equation of normal to the plane is, that is the equation normal to the plane is. Come on, give me the answer for this. I am expecting answer from you. Yes, if your answer is like this, r bar into unit vector n is equal to 2. So yes, this answer is absolutely correct. Okay, so here n cap unit vector of normal and p perpendicular distance. This is the for 1 marks actually. And given, so what terms are given here? Yes, P is given here, that is 6 unit, and N bar is given here, that is 2I bar minus J bar plus 2K bar. As I have already discussed that N bar is equal to AI bar plus BJ bar plus CK bar. But and A, B, C are the direction ratios. Yeah, so that's why here the direction ratios are 2, -1 and 2. So that's why I substituted that over here. So the N bar is given to us. So by the looking at this formula, I name it as equation 1, but we does not want the N bar. We actually want N cap, that is unit vector of N. So to find out the N cap, okay, we have a method, that is we have to find out the magnitude of this. For magnitude of this is equal to under root of 2 square plus -1 square plus 2 square. Okay, and that is actually 2, 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is root 9, that is 3. Okay, so to find out the unit vector, there is one formula over here, and the formula is unit vector is equal to vector upon its magnitude. So substitute this all the values over here. By substituting N cap is equal to vector, that is 2I bar minus J bar plus 2K bar divided by 3. Okay, that is N cap is equal to 2I bar 2 by 3I bar minus J by 3 plus 2 by 3 K bar. Okay, this is the unit vector. Okay, that is N cap. Okay, so replace this value over here and pause this video over here and try to solve out it by yourself. Okay, pause it over here. So a unit vector is this. So the replacing in equation number 1, r bar into unit vector, that is that 2 by 3 I bar plus minus J bar upon 3 plus 2 by 3 K bar is equal to P, but P is given here, that is 6 unit. Shift this 3 at right hand side. Therefore the equation is r bar into 2I bar minus J bar plus 2K bar is equal to 18, and this is the vector equation. Also try out to find the Cartesian equation. Okay, but how to find out the Cartesian equation? Yes, just we have to do just simple substitution. Just we have to replace the r by xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Okay, replace it over here. Xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar into 2i bar minus j bar plus 2k bar is equal to 18, and just it is the dot product of them. Okay, so there is a dot product. You have to multiply their coefficient of I bar and the coefficient of I bar. Okay, here 2 into x, 2x minus 1 into y minus y, 2 into z, that is 2z is equal to 18. Okay, so the equation will be 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 18 be the Cartesian equation, and that's the solution of our question. Okay, so look at this carefully, then we will move further to the problem. So now this is our next problem. The problem says that reduce the equation r bar into 3i bar minus 4j bar plus 12k bar equal to 3 in the normal form, and hence find the perpendicular distance from the plane. Yes, we have to find P from this question. That is, P means perpendicular distance. Okay, and they have given us the equation of plane. Okay, they have given us the equation of plane. So first you try to solve it out because it is very simple. After learning first two problems, you might know how to solve this kinds of example. Okay, so try to solve it. Okay, so here in the question they have given us the equation of plane, not in the normal form. I am damn sure that if you have solved this example, then you might be confused in this only. So this is basically equation of plane, not in normal form. Okay, so it is in the form of r bar into n bar equal to p. Okay, r bar into n bar equal to p, and we have to reduce it to the normal form and find the perpendicular distance between plane and origin. Okay, so the procedure is, solution will start from, we have, as usual in the all problem you have to start like this only. We have the normal plane equation r bar into n cap is equal to p with the equation number 1, where n cap is unit vector of normal to the plane and p is the perpendicular distance. Okay, p is the perpendicular distance. In this example we have to find out this p. Okay, so next step is, given r bar into 3i bar minus 4j bar plus 12k bar is equal to 3, be the equation of plane. Therefore, n bar is equal to 3i bar minus 4j bar plus 12k bar. Try to find out unit vector, magnitude of that n cap, that is magnitude of n bar, that is 3 square plus minus 4 square plus 12 square. Therefore, n bar is equal to under root 169, that is n bar is equal to 13. So as usual, our last problem was similar. You have n bar, you have n cap, magnitude of n bar, and try to find out unit vector n cap. N cap over here will be, I am directly writing, but you write all of the step over here, will be 3 by 13 I bar minus 4 by 13 j bar plus 12 by 13 k bar. Okay. So if I replace this equation in the equation number 1, we will get r bar into, I am writing in short, I am taking this 13 over the right hand side. Okay. So it is another method is that divide here by 13. Okay. Divide the equation number 2 by 13. This is the equation number 2 and divide it by 13. Therefore, you will get this equation 3 by 3i bar minus 4j bar plus 12k bar divided by 13 is equal to 3 by 13. Okay, up to here any doubt? So now by comparing it with the equation number 1, you will definitely find out that this is r bar, okay, this is n cap over here, okay, and what is this? This is simply p. So write the next statement below it. The perpendicular distance from origin to the normal to the plane is 3 by 13. Here's the problem end. See it very carefully because this problem is very confusing and it is a strong possibility to come in examination. Okay, so solve it out. So the next problem is, according to this problem, find the direction cosines of the perpendicular drawn from the origin on the plane r bar into 2i bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar plus 7. Okay, this is the equation of plane. Also find the length of perpendicular. Okay, means you have to find out the coefficient of n cap. Okay, if you have doubt in this, I will try to solve your doubt. According to our remarks, okay, the 4 remarks I have already given to you. According to that remarks, n bar is equal to ai bar plus bj bar plus ck bar, and n cap, that is unit vector of normal, is equal to li bar plus mj bar plus nk bar. Okay, so this is very important. So tell me, this A, B, C are direction cosines, or this L, M, N are direction cosines? Yes, sure. A, B, C are direction ratios and L, M, N are direction cosines. Okay, so don't be get confused in this. It is very simple. N bar, AI bar plus BJ bar plus CK bar. This A, B, C are direction ratios. L, M and N are the direction cosines. So from this problem, we have to find out the coordinates of n cap. Okay. So to find out the coordinate of the n cap, we have to find out n cap. Okay, and once we have find out the n cap, then p is automatically we will get. Okay, so that is very simple example. Okay, the solution will start from as usual as we started the solution for the all of the example which I have explained before. Okay, the solution will be same. Okay, so the solution will be, we have equation of normal to the plane is r bar into n cap is equal to p. Okay, where n cap is equal to unit vector of normal and p is the perpendicular distance. Okay, so the given here is given r bar into 2I bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar plus 7 equal to 0. So transfer this 7 to right hand side, because in our equation of the plane r bar into n bar is equal to p. This p is on right hand side. Okay, so that is why we are transferring this 7 to the right hand side. Okay, so the equation will become r bar into 2I bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar is equal to -7. So tell me one thing, have you ever seen a distance in negative? No. So the distance must be in positive. To make it positive, multiply throughout by -1. Okay, so r bar into -2I bar minus 3j bar minus 6k bar is equal to 7, and this is the equation of the plane. Okay, this is the equation for the plane. So here write it here, this is the equation of the plane. Therefore n bar is equal to -2I bar minus 3j bar minus 6k bar. Okay, n bar is equal to -2I bar minus 3j bar minus 6k bar. So just we have to find out the magnitude of n bar. What is that? That is 2 square plus 3 square plus 9 square, whole thing in under root. Okay, so try to find out it. Yes, the total is 49 and under root 49 will be obviously 7. Okay, so you basically you write the all the step. Okay, so we have n bar, we have magnitude of then n cap, n bar, so n cap will be vector upon its magnitude, that is equal to minus 2 by 7 I bar minus 3 by 7 j bar minus 6 by 7 k bar. Okay, this is all about the unit vector of normal, that is n cap. Okay, this is n cap. So we have to find out the perpendicular distance also. So divide this equation by 7. Let me call this equation as 2. Divide this equation as 7. So here you write in next step over here, but I am just explaining you what to do further and you do yourself. Okay, so here we will divide by 7, here divide by 7, this will become 1. Okay, so this all is n cap. That is, this equation is converted into normal plane form. Okay, so this is r into n cap is equal to p. Here p is 7 upon 7, that is 1. Okay, so the perpendicular distance is equal to 1 and the direction cosines. Yes, I have already told you that the coordinates of the coefficient of this n cap, that is this minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 6 by 7, this all are the direction cosines over there. So just you write the direction cosines are this is all about the solution of this equation. So look at this very carefully. So next question is, find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin on the plane x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so in this question we have to find out the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, so in rough we have to find out this point. Okay, this is plane. Do you remember this diagram? Okay, so this is, we have to find out this, and according to our third remark, I have already discussed that how to find out the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. According to our third remark, the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular are LP, MP, NP. So tell me what is L, M and N. Yes, sure. It is direction cosines. And what is P? P is the perpendicular distance. Okay. So the solution for this is let given we have given this equation of that plane, that is x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. Does this seems to be proper equation? No, we have to save this minus 6 over this side. Okay, so rearranging it, this 3y plus 4z equal to 6. This is the proper Cartesian equation. Okay, so the Cartesian equation is in the form ax plus by plus cz equal to d. Okay, here ABC are direction cosines, sorry, direction ratios. Okay, so from this equation 1, minus 3 and 4 are direction ratios. So to find out the direction cosines, 1 upon under root of 1 square minus 3 square plus 4 square, 1 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square, comma minus 3 upon under root of same 1 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square, and 4 upon under root of 1 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, so direction cosines will be 1 upon, solve this. What is the answer? Okay, the answer is root 26 comma minus 3 upon root 26 comma 4 upon root 26. Okay, so here it is D, but we want here P. So I am giving you in the short way, but you solve, okay, up to here, then write this step over here, that divide this equation by root 26. Okay, root 26, root 26, root 26 and root 26. So now this is a perpendicular distance. So the P is equal to 6 upon root 26. So then the next line you write, so the coordinates of the foot of the perpendiculars are in curve bracket LP, MP, NP. So in the next step, what is L? L is 1 upon root 26 into this 6 by root 26, that it will get 6 by 26. Similarly, 3 minus 3 into this 6, that is minus 18 upon this 26. Similarly over here, 4 into 6, that is 24, and root 26 into root 26, it will given root to 26 root 26, just 26. Okay, these are the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, so this is all about type first. Okay, you first solve this example. So up to here we have studied about the type first. In the next video we will study about type second, type third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so stay tuned and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get the notification whenever the new video is uploaded. So thank you for watching this video.